Alright guys, so welcome back to another Groovepad tutorial. So, let's get to it. So even though I've been so exhausted lately, felt a little too sluggish, so I need to manage my timing more. Try to be a little exposed to what we think. Try to be more responsible. Ooh. So today's song is Future Bass. So let's dive into some lessons, you guys. And let's get ready to, try to attempt on this. Not buying anything. Don't got no money. So here we go. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Tap start, which is the green button, and then the loop. Alright. So the basics is piano, beat, and chords. The first lesson is finally completed. And now let's do lesson 2. Like the ARP is sounded so deeper and synthesized. Not only that, but the pad sounds oddly similar to the chord. So the second lesson is completed too. Now time for the third lesson. Here we go. Okay, so I technically wanted to brief bundle on this. Try to maintain my training constantly and consecutively do more training. It's like a potential straight part of my life. Pretty easy, right? So, lesson 4. I don't know what the perk sound like. Something that is typically looking like a Indian drum. or like a little puck flux. I can't remember, duh. Start to freaking remember it. Moving on to lesson 5. Pushing through my limits aggressively, knowing that I should assemble my solution to my contract. So it's pretty easy to maintain what's your exclusive access to the pads, even though the loops are consciously going a bit slow and fast. I totally need to arrange that. So here we are at side B. I knew that side A is purposely a lot of colors, but this is side B. All of these different sections on there. So let's do lesson 6 and let's not screw up. That voice sounds so professional. Never even want to be triggered through a concept. Consecutive separation. That's pretty doable. And that's really unfortunate because I didn't really to even wake up so early. And also, we are going to do genuine trap after this, because we haven't done it for a long time. Haven't done it for a week ago. That's very consecutive. Honestly, I'm not neglecting future desperation. That's never been more consecutively. Okay, no more talking, and then let's do lesson 7. Okay, so what do you think I should do in order to maintain my beats? Just tap on the color chord pads. In order to have more consecutive areas. Alright? Sorry, I don't know what to say. Trying to enforce you guys. Although this is rearranging a simple prosecution there. And that's pretty simple. Especially more information in order to, have more exclusive access to your concept strategy constantly. And honestly, I have never even heard this before. Ever. So let's go to lesson 8. Here we go. Let's hope you don't mess this up. Okay, sure. Okay, so moving on to the 9th lesson, and then the last one is lesson 10. So let's say I can do this the way I want it to. Try to have multitask on this. Huh? Yes? Yeah. Okay, here we go. So I normally didn't want to recognize prosecutions, especially fallacies. And that's pretty normal to me. Yep, exactly. So, lesson 10, and if I screw up this, I will be very kicked out. So hope we don't mess this up. So, let's try our best and then get it over with and then get this test done. Somehow. I recognize that. Okay. Pretty sure. So, lesson 10. Alright, I finally mastered my accomplishment and strategy in order to pronounce this. Okay. Alright, we finally finished all the lessons. Moving on to genuine trap that I haven't did in a long time. The last one, last week of Thursday, August the 20th, I didn't even do genuine trap. So this is my final chance to try it. Okay. So I'm back again with genuine trap. I didn't even do it last week of August the 20th. Too much. So that's honestly a horrible mistake. So we're gonna have to try to settle it down a little bit. Give us the better way to describe it. And let me try to, do these tutorials. Each lesson is according my entire contribution here. So I guarantee that this is going to be a controlled guidance part of the strategical, assemblization, Yeah. No more ads. As a matter of fact, the ads didn't interrupt me anyway. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any more questions to describe on Groovepad tutorials. And then lessons on each soundtracks of all these different solutions. All sections, probably. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which Groovepad song you guys should do first. Probably genuine trap that I didn't even do, especially my anger problem. That's gotta slide off. So let me know in the comments. Goodbye.